Welcome to GstarCAD World. As the most valuable alternative CAD software, GstarCAD is highly compatible with everything you already know. It's far ahead in performance, stability, and other key indicators, as well as offers a reasonable price for a perpetual license. Not only the CAD platform, GstarSoft also provides vertical applications for various industries. GstarCAD Architecture provides associative and parametric building components to create 2D drawings and 3D models for architectural and construction design. GstarCAD Mechanical is professional designing and drawing software specially built for manufacturing, which covers all fields of mechanical design. 3D Fast View is fast, lightweight, and cost-effective software to view, assemble, annotate, translate, and compress large 3D CAD models smoothly. Artisan is a perfect rendering solution for CAD designers who want to create high-quality and photorealistic images fast and easily. Today, hundreds of professional applications run on GstarCAD can obviously help maximize your productivity. To make global teams work together across places and platforms, we also offer innovative cloud solutions. Collaborative design of GstarCAD enables cross-department and cross-team cooperation based on DWG drawings, allows designers to easily locate design changes and manage different versions by one click. DWG Fast View, as a cloud-based CAD solution, allows anyone involved in the project to view, manage, and share drawings anytime, anywhere, on different devices.